everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and only the DJ? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My people, side chick, they me I not gonna understand una again. Oh, this one will be say sugar daddy go dey follow now. Sugar daddy go say I don't want again. Side chick go say na lie. Oh, they must want to. Me I don't understand. This one will be so now they set them up now. Like make them leave their wife come follow now. See what this side chick here do Dangote, my people. Like seriously? Okay, because you know, say he get money now, the girl don't vex. She don't vex. Say no, he must bring the secret out. Oh, he must bring the secret out. Oh, what do you want to bring come out now? Because Dangote say he don't want again. The side chick don't fall out. So he saying go show the secret where he get for Dangote. Hey, so sugar daddy them now, they would use it direct. They tell una now say make una they stay una house. So more they use the one where they happen. Say they learn. Oh, una see the way this girl do now. He carry Dangote yansh come out now. He yansh don't full social media now. He don't full everywhere. My people. Now so side chick see do this guy that day where they sing. Why they always forget this guy name? Now so side chicks do that one, no go bring that one. John Thomas come out. John Thomas come full outside. So say begin the beg, say make they beg your wife, oh, make your wife not leave am more. This one I don't go bring that go to come out again. Hey, side chick that they verse these days, oh, sugar daddy them. Side chick they verse oh, they verse for now. See what this girl do Dangote now. Dangote John Thomas don't fool everywhere now. He don't fool all the social media. This one not be saying na joke. Oh. He John Thomas now don't fool social media, don't fool everywhere. He bomb, he yash everything don't fool social media. The way the girl see do our musician, where they always they carry up and down. Now what if he do a wife tell leave am, he can't see do am for the second one again. He begin they beg. May they help and beg your wife, may your wife not leave him. With this, that guy will sing a Congo so. Now this one I want to do Dangote now. The side chick they verse. He say all the secrets where they would go bring a come out because Dangote say no once again. So does it mean say if they follow that as in they don't go come leave una again? Una not fair no say they get wife before now go they grief for them. I don't understand though, really. I don't understand this one where be say una they do so. Somebody don't want something again at first now. Now first now. Now wow for all those side chick them. Oh. Now what for them? Oh. Our sugar daddy them more than our husbands them more than they say also. See what side chick they do so that they vex because if you go to the field, if it set camera for you. See this one now. Now not all those Dangote they must they carry guests for outside now. Me no now. So now this one now don't over this one now. He say lie. He say Dangote must follow am. If nothing go bring he yash put for outside. Now he don't really carry and come outside. Now so that one see do our musician now that day that one John Thomas now he cassava he full all the social media he cassava he full everywhere now wow nothing wey Musa go see forget oh Musa don't see don't tire so if they follow now my question be say make they not leave una again una sign contract say they don't go leave una sign and say that they follow una they don't go leave una. Sugar daddies the moon as a una wife not the rich una. Why be say una go want still carry side chick for her side? Una not feel leave side chick alone. More una leave them make them marry. I don't know what una see for side chick them. I don't know what una see for different women who una they carry. Those guys now go set camera. If una just misbehave to them, they also they want bring everything come out. I don't understand. They say they want to bring everything. Come and see this one now. You don't go bring yash come outside now. Yeah, she don't full everywhere for social media now. Social media now. Everything all day there now. And I know say anything we do on that social media, now beg they go beg, make the thing come out. Una know. Nah. Okay, wetin Dangote go come do now? May go settle the girl now. Because the girl now the vex. The girl now the vex, like seriously. She the vex. Say she cannot take this anymore. She cannot take this anymore. She want make sure say he disgrace Dangote. Now wow. I know, as in, me don't understand our guests again these days. Oh, person not want something now, you can't be forced. Person say no want date person again now, you go can't be forced. I don't understand. Now by force, now do or die something. Must it be say I must follow you? Okay, Dangote now say no. I don't want do again. I know see your bakers dey sweet, but now I want them focus. These guys say na lie. Oh. Say Dangote not feel live am like that. E no dey possible. Instead, when Dangote go live am like that, he go bring the things when he get for Dangote come out. Now he say bring this one come out. So what did this guy do? So na good thing, my people. What did this girl now do now? Na good thing. For her to carry Dangote in yash come out. Now wow, not the way Musa no go see forget oh. So sugar daddies there now. I get advice for una now. More una stay with una wife. Those girls now they vex. Ever since when social media take come out, they know they want. They don't want to hear say you break their heart. They don't want to hear say you leave them. Their body they hot like say tomorrow not day. Una see what that girl do this guy now? That musician now, we sing a Congo so. Una remember what the girl do now? And nice, Mr. Nice. Una remember what the girl do? The girl say he go because he tell the girl say no want again. And that girl say no, he must bring you joke, so must come out put for outside. Nice, this say a joke before. Now you see, say the girl bring everything come out. Bring it, John Thomas. When they send and give me a shock lies. I say, wait till they play for our girls then. Wait till they play. Wait till they happen. I bring a come out. Now don't want begin they beg. May they beg your wife for. Maybe wife not leave her more. May they beg your wife for. Now wait till they see for all those waka waka. Now wait till they see. Now be this one. So you more take am easy. Una we just they come. Una we be say una not they use see side chick there. More na use that got say oh now take get sense. The girl now say he want bring everything. The girl now don't bring her social media now don't carry her now everywhere. The thing don't full outside now. Are you raising yourself now Dangote? Should be you go enter house now and the matter with the grant. Let me this one. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and bye.